All right, guys. So here is the 90-second show in the box. I'm going to show the demo right after this. This is the second one that I have. I bought two of them. I did the first one on the 4th of July, so I'm going to show you what it looked like. But this is it. It is a 51-shot cake. Okay, 90-second show in the box by Pyro Demon. Show you the inside really quick. Okay, that's what it looks like. And I got to say that this cake is definitely worth the price. Everybody that saw the cake really enjoyed it. You know, I'm glad I spent the money and actually picked up two. More than likely, I'm going to be picking up a couple more boxes toward the end of the year for New Year's and Christmas Eve. My brother's definitely going to be buying some more because everybody just enjoyed this cake. The effects are nice. They show a lot better in person than they do on the camera. I was very, very pleased with this cake. Very pleased. So, yeah. So, all right, here goes the demo. Show in a box, the Pyro Demon. It's almost midnight.
Those are some class 4 fireworks there.
Did you hear that?
Pyrotech.
Are you trying to light it with the flash?
Oh, here we go.
Andy can run.